Hello, this is Marina, and this tutorial is about an Exabis ePortfolio on Moodle. You can locate the blog devoted to Exabis ePortfolio here in the right part of the page. And today I'm going to add some portfolio artifacts, so I need to enter here my portfolio artifacts. And according to the assignment, I'm going to add a link and a file, upload a file actually. Well, so let's add a link first. I'm clicking on the link, and here I need to add title, which is mandatory, I have to enter it, and the link, the URL page link. I want to add the entry from my blog post, so I will go to, I have to go to my blog entries to do this. Oops. I'm going back to the main page and go to blog entries. So this is my blog entry. I'm copying the link and go back to ePortfolio completion. So I entered the link to my blog post here, and this blog post is devoted to the role of teachers online and offline, so I'm gonna give it the title Teacher Offline versus Teachers, will be Teachers Offline, Teachers Online, and press Submit. So now you can see the link to my blog post here, and this is its title. And the next step which I'm going to do here is to upload a file. Well, in order to upload a file, I have to download it first. So I'm going back to my blog entry, and no, I'm not gonna go back to my blog entry. I have to go to forum posts. I'll find my post devoted to teachers here, and press Export to Portfolio. This time I will select Destination File Download, press Next. The format is HTML, yes, I'm not going to change it. Press Next and Confirm. Okay, the file was successfully downloaded, and I'm going back to my portfolio and upload the file. So this file is now on my computer. I have to choose it. I've got plenty of files here, so this is the one. Oops. I pushed somewhere else. Yes, I have to do it again. Okay. I'm uploading the file. Here it is now, and I press Submit. No, it doesn't let me submit it because I haven't entered the title. Well, so the title will be Teachers Offline versus Teachers Online. Now I hope it will let me submit my file. Yes, success. So here now in my portfolio I have both the link and the file. Thank you so much.